Good morning. Good morning, Professor Sharad.
Good morning, Rakesh sir. Glad to
Uh,
see you.
Nice same
How are
here.
you, sir?
Very fine, very fine. And just ready for your event. Yeah.
Uh, Thanks to you and Arvind sir, both of you,
Good morning.
a
Good
working
morning,
day.
sir.
And that too at 9:30. I know that it's quite early. But thanks for sparing your time for giving your feedback to these students.
Good morning, Dr. Gupta and Mr. Rakesh Kumar.
Good morning. Good morning,
It's,
sir. Good morning.
it's our pleasure too, because this gives an opportunity about how young generation works today, and it's going to be a good exposure for us as well.
That's right.
So,
Absolutely right. It is a learning exercise for us also. That's there.
yeah, absolutely.
Good, good.
No, sir, it's actually your humbleness that you could actually spare your time, and I'm sure that with your kind of experiences, students will actually understand what the industry expects, and they will get a good feedback on their presentations. So these students have already prepared radio ads and they presented radio ads last week. So this is their final presentation in this subject, where they are now presenting their television ads. So they will describe what is the problem that they have identified in the with a particular brand, and then they will explain their TV ads. They will show some storyboard. Then they will also explain why they are actually using this particular television ad with, of course, the TV ad. That is how we'll go about it. I have already shared with you the scoring sheet, so maybe you can give your scores in that sheet, and then later on you can give the feedback. So the time for each presentation is 5 minutes, and certainly if students finish fast, then they get some extra bonus marks. So the format that we'll follow is that first they will all present one by one, and then later on then they will be open for your feedback. Then you can give them feedback one by one, in the you know whichever order you want. Okay. And of course we will not go probably just in the sequence of the numbers b1 b2 b3. We may just take whosoever wants to come first.
Okay. And somebody will keep the time, and incentive relating to completing before time will be taken care at your end, isn't it?
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir. So that is something that
Yeah.
I will do.
Yeah.
That I will. Okay. Thank you, sir. So let us start with our participants.
Sure.
So who would want to
Group
first?
9.
Group 9. Okay.
Oh, the last one is the first. Yeah, that's nice.
Okay. So group 9, those of you, yeah. So to all the participants, we'll follow the same way that we do in our classes. That group which wants to come, okay, they have to raise their hands. Okay, two of them, and I will make them the co-host so that they can share their screens.
How many students are there in every team?
Sir, number of students actually vary from least is, I think,
Sir, group 9 is having 5 students.
yeah, group 9 is having 5 students, but generally they vary from 4 to 5. Or I think in some group there might be 6 also.
Okay. And are they located at one place, or they are also connected from their respective homes?
So they are all connected from their respective homes, because as of now
Okay.
we are continuing with the online classes
Okay.
only. We couldn't
Yeah.
start our physical classes. In between, we were thinking that maybe we can start, but then again, corona prevalence increased. So then we again put off those plans. So group 9,
All
can
the best, all teams.
Sir, I need to share the screen, but I'm not able to raise my hand. Harsha this side.
is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you just
Same here,
So
sir.
you are a co-host now, Harsha.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
So Harsha,
Anyone else from your group? Yeah, Yukti.
Sir.
Yukti, you are also a co-host. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes, it is visible now. Okay, you can make
Yes.
it full screen. So your time will start now. B9.
Okay. So good morning to one and all present here. Today we are going to present a PPT on advertising commercial. Our brand name is Hot and Cool Frozens, and the problem statement is to create a storyboard on television commercial for Hot and Cool Frozens using the ABCs of script writing. And the brand problem which it is facing is that it is a startup of 3 months old. Currently, the brand is growing is at the growing stage, and therefore it is not well known. So the main aim is to promote the brand and increase the market share. Now we will be talking about the PBL.
Yes. So I would be telling about PBL process. In that, as per the brainstorming, we have discussed about what we know, the big idea, variety of products offered by the brand, edge over the other brands, their target audience, and what we don't know, elements of television, idea for the television advertisements, and storyline of the video. Next page, please. Yes. In clustering, we have the to prepare the storyline for the video, the visual effects to be used in the video, to know about ABCs of writing and product spots, the process of video making, and the script writing. And here we have the work assigned. Chinmay and Yukti are contributing for script writing for the storyboard. I have contributed for the working on ABC and process. Pratika has prepared for the preparing of the storyboard, and Harsha is in the making of the video. Now, next part will be continued by group member.
So the storyboard, Harsha, next slide. Yeah. So there's a son who's going to the hostel. So there's a conversation between son and mother, wherein son says कि मम्मी अब कितना खाना दोगी? So mother says कि बेटा वहाँ तुझे कुछ पसंद नहीं आया तो तू घर से खाना लेके जा ताकि हॉस्टल में खाने की कोई कमी ना हो. So the son tells his mother that मम्मी टेंशन मत लो, मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने हॉट एंड कोल्ड फ्रोजन के बारे में बताया है. It's great food. Mother is worried again. She says, "ये क्या होता है?" The son then tells her that ये ITC MasterChef का प्रोडक्ट है जो सिर्फ 2 मिनट्स में रेडी हो जाता है एंड इट्स रेडीली अवेलेबल एंड ये एक कॉल पे आ जाता है घर में और सिर्फ 100 रुपीज में खाना रेडी है. सो द मदर इज नाउ टेंशन फ्री एंड शी सेज अरे वाह ये तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है, हॉट एंड कूल फ्रोजन है तो अब मुझे कोई टेंशन नहीं है. थैंक यू. नाउ हर्षा विल कंटिन्यू.
We have prepared a video which would be showing on the television and all the social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and other platforms. This is the video. Now we would be talking about the ABCs of writing and producing. Yukti would be continuing.
We made a point. We identified the brand, showed the name of the hot and cold frozen name 2 to 3 times in the ad script. Simplicity count. We did not make the ad very complex. Keep away from numbers. We only mentioned the website. Use sound effect and music discreetly. You choose the spotlight wisely. We use the television ad of 30 seconds. Now Chinmay will continue.
So I will briefly explain the process involved in video making. The first step is review the creative brief. Before we start, it is imperative to review the creative brief and to understand the communication background and the objective of the television campaign. The second step is think pictures. On television, visual take over the words, so advertisers need to think in terms of images to tell the story. The third step is use narrative. Now taking the visual forward, we have to write a scenario to complete the story or to take its logical conclusion. The fourth step is write a script. A script is a blueprint comprising of dialogue, sounds, acting, instructions, and visual shots for a film or a commercial. So it guides the actors, directors, and others involved in the filming of a commercial. The fifth step is prepare a storyboard. While the script tells the story using words, a storyboard does it through selected illustrations or images. The last step is get the commercial produced. So production involves the actual filming or shooting of a commercial. Many agencies do not have an in-house production house, so they take the services to external production houses. Thank you. That's it from our side.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so you actually finished in 5 minutes, huh? Not 5 minutes, just 5 seconds less than 5 minutes. So that's okay. Okay, who wants to present next? Mukul.
B5.
Okay, Mukul has raised his hand, huh?
Yes, sir.
Mukul, which is your group?
Sir, B6.
B6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anyone else from your group?
Sir, who would like to come? Sir, make Sonakshi.
Sonakshi, raise your hand then.
Sir, I'm not able to raise my hand. There's no option.
Okay,
Actually,
no, you.
just wait a second, sir. I'm
I
checking.
think you can't see it, but your name has come up.
Okay, sir.
So Mukul and Sonakshi, both of you are co-host now.
Okay, sir.
This team is B5, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This one is B5, right, Mukul?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir,
B6. B6.
B6.
Okay. So Mukul, this the one who has presented was B9, and this one is B6. Okay,
So what-
B6. B6, time starts now.
Okay, sir. Okay, so good morning, everyone. Our group 6 will be presenting today the problem 7C with the brand name special offers. We have these 5 parts, that is the PBL process, brand problem description, TV storyboard, TV ad, and explanation, which we will be explaining in this presentation. So the first part is the PBL process that will be explained by Sonakshi.
Okay.
Sonakshi, please continue.
Yeah. Next slide. Yes. So for the PBL process, to begin with, we have to understand the problem, that is to create a TV commercial and storyboard. For the problem statement, we had to create a TV script, its storyboard, and the TV commercial with its required visual to convey the big idea. For brainstorming to identify learning issues, there's 2 things. That is what we know. What we know is about the brand, its past, and the current situation of the business and its big idea. And for what we don't know is the script for the ad, visual for the storyboard, and guidelines for the same. For the clustering part, we have prepared the script for the ad. We have to prepare the script for the ad, visual for the storyboard, and making of TV commercial. So for listing of learning objectives, it is ads should be relevant and delivered to the target audience. As for assigning tasks to each member, storyboard has been prepared by Mukul Khandelwal, TV commercial has been prepared by Vansh Ratra and Shubham Ahuja, and TVC script has been prepared by Barkha Gupta and I, Sonakshi Bhatia. For sharing the results, we have discussed it through the brainstorming and presentation. Next will be continued by Shubham Ahuja.
Okay, so reason for the poor advertising, that the special offers are not promoting their USP, that is selling the products at less than their MRP, and they're not being able to reach all their potential customers. Whereas talking to their challenges, brand has faced that they are not able to tap in the niche market, which causing continuously declining in their sales, and they are not able to influence a large portion of their customers for their other products, as the customers being rigid for their pre-existing products only. So now over to Mukul.
Now we will begin with the storyboard. As for the storyboard, we try to make a digital advertisement in which we are trying to convey with a starting 3 seconds with the message to attract the audience regarding the work pressure we have during these days and inability to go for the grocery shopping. We are more giving emphasis on our online delivery and the quality of delivery and the tracking of delivery, because most of these brands, most of the delivery services, grocery delivery services are unable to provide these main things. Our storyboard follows mostly the current scenario of the problem faced by mostly the servicemen and the workmen in this current scenario, and how we are actually doing, we are doing about it in this current situation. Along with some contact information at the end, so they are able to contact us. Now for the TV advertisement. This ad was prepared by all of us with what limit. Now for the explanation.
For the TV commercial, to create effective TV commercial, we have pay attention towards more product than the story. We
Barka, unmute, please.
sorry. We have paid more attention towards the product than the story. We have focused on our fast delivery and value of time in this ad, and we have also keep our strategy in mind, so that we can use all the audios and videos effectively. Next slide.
Thank
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so you people saved some 20 seconds, but that's okay. Okay, so next one is Vatsal. Vatsal, which is your group number?
Yes, sir. It's B1.
B1. Anyone else from your group who has raised the hand?
Rishabh Agarwal, sir. Sir, Rishabh Agarwal.
Okay, Rishabh Agarwal. Fine. So Vatsal and Rishabh Agarwal, both of you are co-host now. You can share your screens.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes, it is visible. You can make it full screen and start. Your time starts now.
Good morning, everyone. We are here to give the presentation on problem 7C. First, we need to understand the problem. That was that how should we make a good quality television advertisement? As our problem statement was that we need to prepare a television script and a television advertisement. In brainstorming, we identified that we know target audience, product name, past and current situations. What we didn't know was process for creating television and guidelines for the same. In clustering, we identified that things we don't know should be known, which will further help in formulating the objectives. And the objectives were that ads should be made relevant and should be delivered to the target audience. Tasks were divided within the group members and results are being shared through the presentation. Over to Ambika.
The making of TVC is comprised of the following steps. First is review the creative brief. Here the big idea is to provide a fun learning environment, which is the central message in the 59 seconds TVC. Second is to think about pictures. For this particular TVC, one can imagine or visualize of happy faces of students, proud parents, etc. Then usage of narrative. Since the whole big idea is a narrative that it keeps the track till the TVC ends, the viewers can easily follow and connect with the narrative. Over to Piyush.
So the fourth step is write a script. Script mainly comprises of all the changes in visuals, SFX, step by step. Then prepare a storyboard. Our storyboard consists of 7 images that explain the execution of our television commercial. shooting the advertisement. After completing of all the steps, television commercial is created. Over to Watson.
Now we will be discussing the TVC script. So in the first scene, it opens up with SFX where two people are seen in the scene, where one is showing the concern about his children. In the second scene, they are working in an office on their computers when one person shows video of Tree Enterprises in the mobile phone. Scene changes where images are shown showing the goods of the Tree Enterprises. In the final scene, the two persons are seen talking that why Tree Enterprises is very good for them. Over to Ayush.
In the television ad, two friends, a man and a woman, will be shown talking to each other. The man will tell his friend about how worried he is for his son's personality and complaining about him becoming a nerd, which he thinks is not the mantra for success. The woman explains to him that she was also facing the same problem before she attended a seminar at Tree Enterprises and was lured by the way of teaching. The woman will then show the video of Tree Enterprises in her phone while they sit at their office. The video contains a fun learning environment, students engaging in creative activities, prize distribution ceremony in an airplane, and thus contact information of Tree Enterprises. Parents will be talking to each other in this ad because people tend to be convinced by the people of same age group, and our target audience is parents. Now let's watch the TV ad. Now, as you all noticed, the TV ad mostly contains animations and music. This is done to make the ad stand out among other ads. An attempt is made to use comic style of visualizing the ad as it will be nostalgic for parents. The ad is broken into two parts to re-engage the audience in the midway. Solid colors used for animations will be soothing for eyes and attracting both parents and students. Thank you.
So you all finished 41 seconds in advance. Okay. Which is the next group? That is Manisha Jassal?
Yes, sir, B5.
B5. Okay. This group was B1 and now next one is B5. Manisha Jassal, anyone else from your group?
Yes, sir, Priya would be sharing this.
Okay. Okay. Both of you are co-host.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, Ria, you can start.
Okay, so I'll be telling. We are the group B5, and we will be discussing the problem 7C, which is TV ads. Next slide. So first we will discuss about the PBL approach to problem 7, and under which what we know is the business that the brand operates in and the problems faced by the brand through research. And what we don't know is the TV commercial theme, ABC writing of TV ad structure, storyline and script for the ad. We have clustered the same according to what we don't know in 4 groups and assigned the same according between all of us.
The problems that we got to know through one of the research contact methods, that was telephonic interview with the owner of the Sehgal shop, are: number one, less awareness about their new range of sugar-free and gluten-free products; number two, sales reduced by 20% due to the COVID outbreak; number three, digital presence is not that good; and number four, issues in inventory management. And we would be addressing problem one through our TV commercial for creating awareness about new range of sugar-free products. Next slide.
Okay, now I will be talking about the ABCs of writing. We have promoted just one idea, that is our big idea, and we have identified brand with name and logo. We have not used any numbers, and there is definitely use of sound effect and music. Our commercial is of 45 seconds and asking for action. Now TV script, we have divided it into two parts, video instructions and audio instructions. Firstly, the mother is scolding her child about eating lots of cakes and pastries, for which SFX is loud crying sound and FVO mother scolding her child. Secondly, Segal's dancing cup with soft music and talking about sugar-free cups. Sharing sweet moments, we have used both FVO and SFX. Brand name and logo, where we have used FVO telling about the pastry shop.
When and where to place. Other than television, we are placing our ad on Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. So length of the ad would be 45 seconds, and the period for which we are placing our ad is 2 weeks. So in TV, it's to aware and for wider reach. Facebook and Instagram for followers, specifically who spend most of the time on social media. Google Ad, location-based advertising near East Delhi, that is Krishnanagar.
So this is our storyboard for our TV ad commercial. In the first frame, mother is scolding her child and telling him that he won't be getting any cakes or cupcakes from now on because they are all unhealthy for him. In the second frame, there is Segal's dancing cupcake, which is sugar-free and gluten-free. In the third frame, mother and child are having a sweet moment, and mother is happy because of Segal sugar-free and gluten-free products, and now she can give it to her child without worrying much about her health. And in the fourth frame, child is enjoying eating Segal sugar-free and gluten-free cakes and cupcakes. And in the last frame, we are showcasing the brand's name and other information. And this is our TV ad.
समझ नहीं आता तुम्हें? वो केक्स एंड कपकेक्स सब अनहेल्दी है. चलो उठो अब. अरे चलो. ओ गॉड, क्या करूं मैं इसका? बस पूरा दिन अपना कार्टून एंड केक्स एंड पेस्ट्रीज खाना. कुछ नहीं मिलेगा आज से, समझे तुम? सब अनहेल्दी है.
Hey, I am Segal's Cupcake. I am everything free. I am sugar free. I am gluten free. So there is no need to tame your child anymore about his sugar habits.
Live the moments of sugar and gluten-free goodness. Visit us at the Segal Pastry Shop. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry, you are on mute. Oh, sorry. Okay, next is Swapnil. Swapnil, you are a co-host now. Which is your group?
Sir, group B2.
B2. Anyone else from B2?
Sir, Krishnandan Mehta.
Krishnandan. Okay, so Swapnil and Krishnanandan, you are co-host now. You can share your screens and you can start your presentation.
Yes, sir. Sharing, sir. So is my screen visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes,
This
sir.
is group number B2, right?
Yes, sir. B2.
So your time starts now.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. We group 2 are going to present on problem 7C. Here are the members of our group who have worked. Our problem statement is to prepare a TV commercial for our chosen brand, that is Lush Salon Academy. Here it follows. I guess one of our group member is facing internet issue, so I'll be going to tell you. In what we know, we know that we have to use pictures in our TV ads, and we have to emphasize on our products. So we have to
before starting with advertisement, what and highlight our product in the market. So we need to
go on, Lavika.
I guess there was some. Before starting with the advertisement, we know that our main motive is to introduce and highlight our product in the market. So we need to show what happens when a customer needs a new product by showing the pics. So in what we don't know, Krish, please continue.
Yes. So what we don't know was what should be the length of TV ad? Should we use any peripheral cues? In the background, should we use music or simply a voiceover? After this, we divided the task among ourselves and distributed what all will be doing. Handing over to Sahil.
Next slide.
Yeah, 1 minute. I think some issue is there. It's not changing. You can continue, Sahil.
Sahil, you can continue. I will be sharing the screen. Swapnil, can you stop there?
So I'll be speaking on the brand problem that were faced by the Lush Salon. First one was lack of trust. Brand trust is an essential buying consideration for many customers. So customers do not trust. If the customers do not trust the brand, they may lose the business. Secondly, they face the difficulty in attracting new customers as they fail to make their strong presence in the minds of customers due to the lack of trust or online presence. Customer retention was low, either due to high competition in the close proximity or low switching cost. And there was a high competition faced by them as the brand, several salons in the area had same services at same price. Further will be continued by group members.
Okay, so I will be talking about the storyboard. Now here is the storyboard for our brand, which is telling a story through selected images. We will see sequentially frame by frame. So in the first image, it is shown that the girl is struggling with her hair fall problem and she needs a hair treatment. While looking at the second image, we are introducing our brand Lush Salon and Academy as a solution, which can help to prevent from hair fall problem. It says that it provides 100% of herbal product without having any sort of side effects. Not only this, but it also provides the bridal and party makeups. Looking at the third image, we have shown our collection of herbal products which are kept on the shelves. So to ensure that the customer that we use these products and guarantee to resolve the problem.
Okay. Now I will be telling about after the third cell, from the third cell. So in the advertisement, we have tried to showcase that we are best when hair treatment are considered. All our customers are satisfied with our wide range of services. In the subsequent cell, we showed a lady to which bridal makeup is being done. This was used just to show our potential customer the level of quality of our services by using 100% authentic herbal products. In the last cell, we showed a girl who earlier have a hair problem, but after taking our services, her colleagues at office was amazed looking at her because of the transformation. Now the further slide will be continued.
So now we will show our advertisement, that is TV advertisement for Lush Salon, which starts with a girl trying to brush her entangled hair, and it leads to more embarrassment when the child hands get stuck into her entangled hair. So we bring out the solution. So we present an ad that gives a good solution to the biggest problem ever. So an After few seatings at La Salon, the girl's problem gets solved. So we look at the TV advertisement.
Hair fall problem? अब तो छोटा बच्चा भी करे इशारा, ना कर अपने सबसे प्यारी चीज को नकारा. But don't worry, we have a solution to your problem. Visit Luz Salon and Academy and find unlimited hair treatment packages which are done with 100% herbal products. With that, we provide various services like bridal makeups and also party makeups. And this is not it. We also provide comfort places to get yourself pampered with manicures and pedicures. अरे, तो अब किसका वेट कर रहे हैं? अभी आइए और लज सैलून का आनंद उठाइए या फिर बेहोश हो जाइए.
Thank you.
Okay, so you people actually
Thank you, sir.
overshoot. Okay, you guys overshot the time.
So actually, net issue was there with
So
one
that's fine.
member.
Yeah, so
Yes,
that's
sir.
I can understand that. Okay, next group is of Arushi Vadhavan.
Can you tell the timings of B5?
Wait a minute, huh? Arushi,
Yes, sir.
which group is yours?
The group 7.
Group 7. Anyone else from your group?
No, sir. I'll be presenting the screen.
Okay, fine. So then you are taking a risk of, if there is a problem in internet, then your presentation may stop. Huh?
Sir,
Okay.
make me a presenter. So Siddharth, I'm raising my hand.
Siddharth,
Yes, sir.
raise your hand.
So which group is this, sir? Sir, actually, I can't raise my hand.
So, Arushi, which is your group number?
The group
So
7.
B7.
Group 7. Okay. So
Yes.
this is group 7, B7.
Yeah.
Before that, we had B2. B5, your time was less than 4 minutes, huh? A little less than 4 minutes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So shall we begin?
Yes, you can start now. Your time starts now.
Morning, everyone. Here's group 7. We're going to present on the brand Farmery. The problem statement was prepare a TV script and storyboard. So that was a step 2. And in step 3, in brainstorming, the first thing was what we know. We had some idea about the company, the problem that was faced by the company, and the big idea. What we did not know was different elements to be used in TV commercials, how to write a script, prepare a storyboard, content to be added. In step 4, in clustering, we divided the problems that we did not know, that is advertisement elements, making TV commercial, process to create the commercial. And while assigning tasks, Jatin Gupta, Siddharth Gupta, Arushi Vadhavan, they had the process to create the commercial. Shikha Sharma, Akshita Sharma, Mehul, Sati had the process in making the TV commercial. Next is Arushi. She'll be briefing about the problems that were faced by the brand.
So these are the problems that were faced by the brands. Hence, the brand wants to create the brand awareness and thus increase the customer base. In order to do so, it is applying different strategies like providing different discounts, creating TV commercials, radio commercials, using different social media platform also, and also providing door-to-door on the qualities of these products.
So here's the glance of the TV script that we prepared for Farmery. There is background music played by one of our member and used here as an optimistic and joyful background music. Throughout the ad, we have used a catchy ting sound as SFX, special effects, along with the background music, which is actually played intermittently to catch the attention. We have used 2 female voiceovers. One is for 22 seconds and another is for 23 seconds. The next storyboard will be told by Jatin.
Yeah, so now I will be telling about the storyboard. The storyboard helps us to in each box. The storyboard represents a shot in succession, and the figure represents the composition of the shot and the shows the placement of the items. And below every box there are dialogues that are stated. So the first frame shows the crops that are natural and pesticide free. As we know that wholesome milk starts with the cow's healthy diet. Because of the diet, we get the required nutrients. So the second frame shows the cows roam and graze freely outdoors, and they consume the natural diet of grass, as grass-fed products are significantly higher in nutrition and minerals, because we do not get calcium from the cows, but from the nutrition they get from the grazing of crops. The third depicts it is equivalent of serving the fresh whole milk from our own farm while being present in an urban living. So next is our TV commercial.
Welcome to Farmery, where you'll get all the products naturally from the farms. Finding pure and fresh milk is the biggest challenge these days, but not anymore. Farmery is bringing fresh milk to your doorstep. The source of fresh milk is grass-fed cows, which is a complete food in itself.
Our milk is free from chemicals and preservatives, now available in your city. Farmery, real milk, just as nature intended. So go and follow us on Twitter and Instagram. And for more details, check our website.
Thank you.
Okay, so you people saved 34 seconds. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So next is Rishabh Gupta.
Yes, sir.
Rishabh, which is your group number?
Sir, B4.
B4. Anyone else from B4?
Sir, yes, Pranshul will be sharing.
Sir, I
the
will
screen.
share the screen.
Okay. So Pranshul and Rishabh, now both of you are co-host.
Yes, sir.
A very good morning to one and all present over here. It gives us immense pleasure to present in front of you all. Now Rishabh will be continuing with the presentation. He'll start it.
So talking about the PBL process, coming on to the next slide. Yeah, our problem statement was preparing a TV script and TV commercial for a particular brand. We chose Mohan Mega Mart. What we know is the length of TV commercial, that is 30 to 60 seconds. What we don't know is script writing for TV ad, preparing a storyboard for TV ad, ABCs of script writing and production. Coming on to the clustering, cluster 1 is script writing for TV ad, cluster 2 is preparing a storyboard for TV ad, cluster 3 is ABCs of script writing and production. Next slide, please. Yeah, these were the signing tasks to the group members. Now the question for research for how to do script writing for TV commercials, how to prepare a storyboard for TV commercials, and what should be the ABCs of script writing and production. Dhruv will continue the PPT forward.
So for the brand problem description, we have 3 problems. First of them is lack of mass reach. Since More Mega Mart is very well aware brand, which is known to everyone, and they perform their advertising through print media. So that is causing a lack of mass reach. So if they advertise through television, then they would definitely help. That would definitely help them to increase their mass reach. Second is competition from the online stores. We after the pandemic, we all are aware that most of the people shop online. For groceries, they shop online, for clothes, and for everything. So there is a competition from online stores such as Grofers and Big Basket. Third point is competition from the other retail chains. See, in the case of retail chains,
What matters is the discount and the affordability of people and the deals they are providing to the people. So there are n number of other retail chains as well, such as Easy Day, Reliance Fresh, Big Bazaar, that also offer same kind of discounts. So they receive a competition from them also. So that is the brand problem that they are facing.
Okay. So this is the More Megastore TV script. Duration of our commercial is 40 seconds. As you can see on the left side of the slide, we have talked about video highlighted in capital letters, which depict scene covered in commercial. And on the right side is the audio where we used SFX, that is sound effects such as funny music to make a commercial more effective. Also, there are dialogues written in normal sentences to make them different from SFX. Next slide, please.
So this is the storyboard that we created. The storyboard show is the visual representation of the key scenes of our TV ad along with the short description. So in the first, coming to the first scene, it is an airport scene where a man and a woman are talking to each other. The man asks about the price of the luggage and he gets surprised after knowing that she bought it for a very high price. It was very expensive to her. And following the restaurant scene where the same man asked another man about the price of the biscuit, and again he was surprised that he bought it very expensive. Similarly, the same instances were shown 3 times in the scene, and the last scene was More Megastore pamphlet displaying a man shopping, and also it shows that More is a mix of fresh fruits, quality fruits, and savings. So this is the TV ad.
Hi. कितने में लिया? 4,000. Oh, पहले बोलती सस्ते में दिलवाता. Excuse me, 10 rupees. Oh, सस्ता मिल सकता था ना? How? Oh. 3-in-1 बर्नर गैस स्टोव कितने का?
7,500 only.
और साथ में ये सब भी
चला क्या?
हाँ नहीं.
More Megastore, where quality meets affordability and freshness.
Next slide. By the means of this TV ad of More Megastore, we wanted to explain that More is cheapest among all. One can get best deals at More along with best discounts and good quality. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so you people just finished 29 seconds in advance. Okay. Next is who's next? Vaishali.
Yes, sir.
Vaishali, you are a co-host. Which is your group number?
Sir, B3.
B3. Anyone else from B3?
Sir, Garima.
Garima. Okay. Garima, raise your hand. Where's Garima?
Sir, she has raised her hand.
Yes, yeah, I can see. Okay, so this is group B3. Okay. Garima and Vaishali, both of you are now.
Sir, my screen is visible?
Yes, it is visible. Your time starts now.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today we are here to present our PPT on problem 7C. So our brand name is Usnak Mal Muchan. So firstly, I would like to talk about the PBL process. So our problem statement is preparation of TV script and TV ad in line with our big idea. In brainstorming, what we knew is our theme message, target audience, USP and products. What we didn't know was the ABC of script writing and process of making television commercial. In clustering, we finalized our different elements of TVC and regarding TV ad. In assigning of task, TV script was written by all members. Enactment and production was done by Vishali and Kanika. So photo board was done by Garima.
The problem faced by Usnak Mal Muchan by advertising was that they were not focusing on the USP of making exclusive designs for their customers and providing an ease of customizability.
Rashi, you're not audible. Rashi, you're not audible.
Hello?
Yes, now it's better.
Okay. So the problem faced by Usnak Mal Muchan by advertising
No, again, your voice is very feeble.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, you're audible now.
Okay, so problem faced by Ushnak Mahal Gulshan while advertising was they were not focusing on their USP. This is exclusivity and
Sir, can somebody else explain this?
Yes, sir. The problem faced by Ushnak Mahal Gulshan was advertising that they were not focusing on their USP and making providing the customizability that they offer. Thus, the message objective focuses on competitive positioning of the brand in the minds of consumers by highlighting the aspect of exclusivity of the product and by creating an emotional appeal through the TV advertisement.
The structure of the TV ad that we have chosen is dialogue. So this is the TV script. The TVC starts with a dialogue between two women in scene 1. Later in scene 2, we have dialogues between two other women. We've chosen the characters based on our women-only target audience of Ushnak so that the women watching the ad can highly resonate with the characters. The ad ends with a statement announcing about the brand's name and its tagline, which will contribute towards brand awareness.
Now, we have the photo board for the commercial. This consists of snaps from the commercial we have made. While the script will provide details of the commercial, a photo board will give a quick snapshot of the store to the client. As you can see, photo board consists of 5 scenes and provide details for each one of them. We can see 2 women running into each other at a wedding, wearing same wedding outfits. 2 different women gossiping about their same outfits. While one of them curses the shopkeeper, the other one calls her mother and cribs about it. The gossiping woman laughs it out and are thankful for the Ushnak for their exclusive designs. Next, we present our commercial ad.
अरे क्या बात है ट्विनी? ओह हाँ, सेम सेम. चलो फोटो लेते हैं साथ में. अरे ओ भैया तो कहती थी सिंगल ही पीस है. कल की जाके बताती हूँ उसको.
मम्मी मैं घर आ रही हूँ. शर्मा जी की बेटी ने मेरे जैसे सेम लहंगा डाला है.
थैंक गॉड हमने अपने लहंगे उशनाक से बनवाए हैं.
और नहीं तो क्या, अगर आज उशनाक के एक्सक्लूसिव डिजाइन्स नहीं होते तो इनकी जगह हम होते.
Ushnak, weaving your dreams since 1875.
We think our TV ad would be effective as it follows these elements. There are fewer dialogues and communication is done with facial expressions. Also, there's a catchy wedding song in the background depicting a wedding. There are 5 average paced scenes in a 40 seconds ad shot in a wedding hall. It stars women talking in Hindi as our target audience is also women and ends with a male voice telling Ushnak's tagline. The women are seen wearing lehengas and makeup. There are soft drink glasses in their hands and they're taking selfies which acted as props. The camera shot was medium to focus on their dresses with a little background. Fade transition was used as scenes gradually appear on screen. Camera point of view was objective and an eye level camera angle was used. Method of editing was cross-cutting to establish continuity in scenes shot at different places and different times. Thank you.
So you people almost took the complete time. Okay, you finished in 4 minutes and 51 seconds. Okay. So at this point of time, let me welcome our Vice Chairman Suneet Vatsji. He has also joined our meeting. Thank you, Suneet sir. And it is so kind of you. I understand that you had a personal commitment also. But you gave priority to this event. That's a really great thing. That's a very nice gesture, sir. Thank you, sir.
So thank you so much for having me over. And sorry for joining in late. I think let's continue with the program as it goes, and then maybe in the last, I will kind of give my part of or whatever that I have to share within 5-7 minutes. I'll be able to share that in the last, please. And thank you for the guest. I think our esteemed guest present today, Arvind Kumar ji and Rakesh Kumar ji. I think it's my pleasure.
Good morning. Thank you so much. for
It's a
welcoming us.
pleasure to welcome both of you. I think Sharad sir would have already done that. So it's a pleasure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It is our pleasure also.
Please.
Thank you.
Sharad sir, you may please continue. Then we'll.
Sir, so in fact, sir, this was our last presentation. So now we are actually ready for the feedback from our guests.
Sure.
So sir, maybe Arvind sir and Rakesh sir, maybe we can just proceed by group by group, and both of you can give your feedback as per the group, sir. Is that fine?
Yes, that would be fine.
Feedback will be given in the terms of marks, or what do you want? Description or marks?
Sir, description is more important, but certainly marks is something that on which they'll get the final marks based on the marks that you give. But certainly we need some qualitative feedback also.
Okay.
Sir, is there one more presentation left, isn't it?
Is it?
No, are we through with all presentations?
Yes, sir. We are done with all.
B8 is not there. B8,
yes, sir. B8 is not there actually. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So I was under the impression that there are 9. Yes, B8 is missing in this.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah.
Sir, Rakesh sir, would you like to start with the feedback, please?
Should I go first?
Yeah, that would be nice. I'll also learn from your feedback.
Actually, the first feedback is that the exposure for assessment, the descriptive slides and all those things is okay, but the time is that is the 59 second is it is a, I will say that it is too less time to make a very proper assessment, but still I have tried to make some points and little bit objectivity in the process, so that and a comparative it is more of a comparative than of a absolute.
Sir, Rakesh sir, sorry for interjecting. Which group is this one?
No, I talked in general. Now,
okay,
now I will go specific.
Fine, sir. Okay.
The B9, hot and cool frozen. I will give the marks. First, I am giving only the explanation of all the groups. That is the description of all the groups, and later on I will tell the marks. Is it okay there? Is
yes,
the format okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Perfectly.
Okay. So first is only for the descriptive assessment of the groups. Okay. Yeah. So B9, the first group was B9, hot and cool frozen. The problem was defined, and the components of the problem, the elements of the the description of the elements and the interrelation was explained in a fairly good manner, and one can understand what is the problem. That is one thing. And second is the storyboard. The second is the brand problem. First was the brand problem description. This was okay, and good description, I will say. The second was the TV storyboard. There also the description was, I will say, better than average. Good elements presented over there. And third one was the TV ad. TV ad was good, but little bit the problem of frozen is, frozen and hot and frozen element was not depicted properly in the ad. The ad was very good, but the exact the base foundation of this thing, that is the hot and cold frozen item, that was not visible in the ad. That was one thing. And then the explanation was good. I will say very good, in fact, of the TV and its interrelation to the problem. So that is a thing for B9. Then B6. B6 is special offers. There is discounts and all. the group explained the problem about the discounts and how it is creating the complexity in the sales and the competitive companies who are there with this particular company. But the problem was not very clear in the description, but still the elements were there and described in a written slides form that is there. The storyboard was, I will say, better than average. And third is the TV ad. TV ad was very short, and I will not say very short. Okay, but the presentation was average. I will say B6. This is the the B6. That is the special offers. Explanation was good in this. Now coming to the next one, B1. B1 is the Tree Enterprises. There the brand problem description was excellent, I will say. It was broken up in a very good constitution of the components and slides. So every people can understand what is the problem and what is the interrelation of the elements. Then the TV storyboard. The problem was described in a fairly good manner, and but this brand problem and the storytelling was little storyboard. This was little mixed up, but still it was storyboard was much better than average. Then the TV ad was very good and less time taken. TV ad was very good, I will say. Then the explanation was brief but good. Then is the next the Segal pastry shop B5. The problem was told in a nice manner, and elements were given, and the what are the complexity with the issue, and what this company was facing, and how this their brand name into the homes, how it is to be taken. This was all explained properly, and the problem description was, I will say, excellent. And the storyboard was also good, interrelating the components and the problem. Then the TV ad was good, very good, I will say, and quite catching that way. And but the explanation was not given later on. You can say that either they had taken up the explanation in their storyboard and all beforehand, but at the end of the TV ad, they did not offer any explanation. Then the second one, second, the Lush Salon and Academy, B2. There the problem was explained properly, and the components and the difficulty faced was also given, and the problem of the less interest of the customer and the big competition because of the so many salons there in the area. So the the catchiness of the TV and attractiveness to create brand was very important. It was emphasized beforehand in the brand problem as well as in the TV storyboard, both the place. And the TV ad was very good. Only one negative, as was described by Dr. Sharad, that this time was overshot. And the explanation was there was no time either, and no explanation given for at the end. That was it. So the fourth item was not there, but the ad was extremely good and effective, I will say. Then B7. B7, that is the farmer. There also the problem description and the components described, and the interrelation was explained in a very nice manner, and pictorial manner, I will say. That was very effective that way. Then this storyboard was also good, but both the things, that is the problem description and the TV storyboard, both were a little mixed up. But they are described nicely, but mixed up. Then the TV ad was good and effective, but I will not say excellent. It was effective and good, but not excellent. The time was very, very less. That is, I think, 26 seconds taken in this. So the ad was very short. It could have been longer to increase the effectiveness and impact. The communication was not, explanation of after the ad was not given. This was missing. Then is the B4. B4, it is a more mega store. There the problem and the components of the problem, their interrelation was extremely and nicely presented, and it can be well understood. The storyboard was also excellently presented, and the interrelations of the two was also very good, and the importance of the ad was established before. Then the ad also was excellent and very, very effective. Lastly, the explanation part was also not given. I may say that some of the explanation was there intermixed in the previous elements, but the explanation after the ad as a specific component was not given. But the ad was very, very effective and excellent. Then the last one, B3, that is Ushnak. There the problem was, told and components was explained, but it was above average. I will say good, but not excellent. Then the TV storyboard was also very good, but not excellent. Then the ad was extremely fine, very nice, and very effective and very excellent. I will say that this ad might have been having the best effectiveness in this, as far as the TV ad is concerned, video is concerned. The explanation also was given very, very nicely, and good interrelation was made in this. And that way, all the groups have been explained, and my view I have given. Now I will put these aspects in the marks and submit the sheet. Thank you.
So I am Arvind Kumar. I take over now. All right, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes. Okay. First of all, I'm quite impressed with the quality of work done by the students. They have really put in good amount of labor, come out with the good storyboard, good ads, good explanations, and the amount of work they have done is tremendous. And I'm sure they have gone through very good learning during the process of creating these ads. And I think this learning is far more important than the feedback I'm giving, because the feedback is based on watching your work for a very short time. And frankly, it is not an adequate time to give good quality feedback. Okay, so do not give so much emphasis to the feedback, but give more emphasis to the learning that you have already gone through in the process of creating this ad. And it's quite evident to me that all of you have learned quite well the concept of problem-based learning, the process of creating ad, the underlying issues involved. So it is an outstanding work that you guys have done. So coming to specific feedback, and which is really challenging for me, I start in the chronological order. First one was hot and cold frozen. Okay, so I think in this case the problem was quite well stated, that it is a startup, its market share is low. The company needs to promote itself to create an awareness. So the problem was quite well explained. Okay, and the participants also indicated clearly that the focus is on easy availability and timely availability. Okay, so basically the USP was that it can be obtained quite easily at any place. So that was also quite well conveyed. However, I found a sort of a mismatch between storyboard and ad itself. I'm not able to recall immediately, what was the mismatch, but storyboard was communicating some message, but the message in the ad was somewhat different. Explanation given at the end was quite good. That was satisfactory. Okay. Number 2 is B6, which is special offers. And in this case, I think it was not very clear to me what is the problem which was selected by the team to focus in the ad. They mentioned many problems, but which of these problems you are trying to address in the ad? I think it's very important to remember that you should not try to solve too many problems using one ad only. It's not going to work. So I also did not find TV ad that impressive compared to the others. As Professor Rakesh Kumar said, it is a relative assessment. It's not an absolute assessment. So when I look back and compare all ads, I did not find ad of a special offer to be so good. Nevertheless, good effort. Okay. So now I go to team B1, which is TV Tree Enterprises. Okay. In this case, TV, the problem was the script was very well developed. I think there's some noise coming from. May I request others to mute their devices? Yeah. So thank you. In case of Tree Enterprises, what was the problem that was not well explained, which the ad was trying to address. But the quality of ad itself was very good. Okay, and in the end, explanation was also good. Next is pastry shop. All in all, I found this particular presentation to be the best among all presentations. The ad was simply too good. It was looking very professional work, and though there was no explanation in the end, but overall the way the complete presentation flow and from the way they describe the problem in the beginning, it was evident what is the problem they are trying to address. The problem of eating unhealthy food, and the focus was on sale of sugar-free and gluten-free cakes and pastries. So that message came across quite well through the ad. The storyboard was also very good, and there was a good alignment between the storyboard and the ad. Now the next one is, just 1 minute. This is team B2, Lush Saloons. I think this was also a presentation in which the ad was quite good, and there was a very good caption also, "Chota Bachcha Kare Nakara" or something of that sort. It was quite a catchy caption that the team had come up with. However, when they stated the problem in the beginning, they trying to give too many messages, such as this saloon has got a wide range of products. It can address hair problems. It is of very high quality saloon. So there were multiple messages which they were trying to cover, and obviously ad cannot cover all messages in short time of 30 seconds. But the ad was very good. However, the explanation in the end was missing. The team now is B7. This was Farmery, okay. And the problem they stated was low brand awareness, and that was good. The script was also good. Ad was quite good in terms of mixing of animation and videos, and but I found somewhat mismatch between thstoryboard and ad. Like in storyboard, the explanation given was that these calves are getting very good quality of inputs, but somehow I did not find that coming out so well in the ad. I don't recall explanation, whether explanation was given or not, but perhaps there was no explanation in the end. And next team is B4. This was More Mega Store. They also selected multiple problems. Now they are trying to, though the focus in the ad and the key message was saving, but when that problem was explained in the beginning and in the closing of the ad also, they were focusing on three messages: saving, quality, and freshness. Now, invariably, it is very difficult to achieve all objectives simultaneously. Companies focus on certain niche. Some focus on saving, some focus on quality, some focus on freshness, some focus on quick delivery. And it's a right combination of these attributes which makes a company successful. Now, it is not possible that a company can achieve best of quality, can provide products at lowest cost. These are not possible, okay? So that is a kind of dissonance I find in this ad, in this complete campaign. But otherwise, the ad was good and explanation was not given. I think that leaves B3, which is Usnath. So one thing was good about this presentation, that they focused only on one USP. And the the participants brought out that very clearly, that the USP of Usnath is exclusive designs. And that message was coming through during the complete presentation. Okay, the ad quality I did not find to be so good. There was a scope for significant improvement. The storyboard was also average in quality. Explanation given was good. So that's all from my side. Congratulations to all students for the excellent work they have done, and to the prof also for their guidance. I'm sure the learning might have been pretty good for all students. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. In fact, sir, initially I actually did not give your complete introductions to the students, okay, so that they remain actually comfortable in presenting in front of you. So let me just take 2 minutes to give your introduction a little bit. So Mr. Arvind Kumar is a PGDM from IIM Bangalore, and before that he did his BTech from IIT Kanpur. He is currently promoter cum director of The Winning Mantra. He has 35 years of experience in the public and private sector companies of Tata and Reliance Group at many leadership positions. He has worked in domains of business consultancy, business process improvement, training, and human resource management. He specializes in change management programs. He has led many successful changes in the companies where he has worked. And he is on the selection panels of several well-known companies and business schools. He has rich experience of assessing candidates for recruitment in companies as well as admissions to B schools. And he has helped many leading organizations in the improvement of their recruitment cum selection process. So that is about Arvind sir. Now about
Thank you,
Rakesh.
sir.
Rakesh sir is an MTech from IIT-K. He is a BTech electrical from IIT BHU. He is ex-GM NTPC, and he is currently a member of Governing Council of IDC Foundation, which is dedicated to environment, energy, electricity, water, and social issues. He has more than 40 years of experience in multiple fields. His expertise areas are power sector, business strategy, and cost control. Then he also has expertise in environmental sustainability, energy economics, energy efficiency, energy conservation, energy intensity, climate change, material conservation, and solar power. So that is, in brief about Rakesh sir. Initially, I actually desisted so that students remain comfortable in presenting in front of you.
Thank you, Dr. Sharad, for the elaborate introduction. And one comment I would like to make on this exercise and the presentation. Firstly I share with the, Dr. Arvind that
Just Arvind, sir.
Sorry, Professor. No, it's all. It's the same, because by experience, everybody of our people who are so much industrious are in a way doctor, whether formal doctor or not doctor, but they are in fact because they are the research students all through their life, like me also, that way. So, firstly, I share this Dr. Arvind's view that every student has put up their best effort, and it is representing that how well you have taught. I mean, you professors have taught them the elements of the subject, and they have also grasped it properly. Each member of various groups. One suggestion is there. I would like to give that every ad, it cannot be best, and there is a scope for improvement. So every particular ad, like in this exercise also, each group should be given a opportunity to make it more effective and represent as a separate exercise internally. And you may provide a little certain marks for that. That is, each group is asked to make the ad more effective, whatever way, let them decide. And then you compare internally how this ad presented today and how their improved ad fares. And based on that, you can again assess the student internally, and some incentive marks can be given on that. That is my way.
Very nice suggestion, sir. That is great. Suneek sir, would you like to put encourage our students and thank our guests?
Thank you, Sharad sir. Thank you so much. I think I will not take much of time, because with the kind of the guiding lights that you have today present amongst us, I think, and the experience, given the experiences that they brought with them, is something I think was much more of a learning for students to appreciate in terms of the feedback that has been given to them. Sir, in fact, I would just touch on a few points, because a few days back, we have a journalism department here. So we had, Surja Kishore, who is the CEO of BBDO, the biggest firm, advertising firm in India. He was there to, address the students on, advertising itself. So we had a good fortune of, listening to him. And I'm only sharing his views, nothing to, and for the benefits of students, because I think we look at you as teachers, you're lifelong learners, practitioners, and as Sir said, Rakesh sir said, that it's a PhD of a different kind that you hold. So there's nothing which is an academic degree, it's a practitioner degree that you hold on to. So a lot of insights that you all bring in with yourself. See, first, and I think I will possibly address this more to the students, that somebody I think wrote that this is the time given to us, for presentations. Because I think somebody on the comment that, the presentation was short. I think one has to appreciate that it is only 10 seconds ad, a spot ad is for 10 seconds in a television commercial. And if you have that kind of, budgetary support and, financial might, you may extend it to 30 seconds also. So given 2 minutes, I think it's no less a time. So you have to present your ideas in the best possible way within the shortest given time. Turja Kishore sir mentioned a very important point, and he said that during pandemic we could, kind of touch ourselves with one most important missing part of our life, that is our feelings, right? And why feelings? Because any storyboard that you are creating, is to deal with human beings and would convince a human being into, or would convince him to buy a product or not to buy a product. A lot of ads that you see, which are, heart-touching ads, have a lot of emotional, touch, and it goes back to, Aristotle rhetoric, where, pathos, logos, and ethos were three important components which were, told by him at that time, and is still relevant in advertising, context. Because if you're not telling a very authentic story, you do not have an emotional connect with your audiences as it happens. I think it's a difficult call for you people as wanting to learn advertising, that you will be able to, prepare a good ad. It may, duration doesn't really matter. People are able to convince, within 10 seconds as to what is to be, done, and the trigger that happens within the brain, right? So I think it's important for us to, look at these important parameters that have been shared today in the presentations that have come out. It's a ongoing journey. We are learning all through our lives. Learning doesn't stop, even before entering and after passing out. It doesn't stop till the last breath. It is how keen you are in terms of a learner and your capacity to, absorb a lot of things. Without disruption, we cannot learn and create newer things. There are organizations which did not exist. You can talk of Uber, you can talk of Olas, you can talk of, even your any new thing that comes out is because of disruption that happens. And if you are kind of, busy into your routine, you'll never be able to create a wonderful thing out of it. I appreciate all the students for taking this up, and congratulate Sharad sir for this wonderful initiative. At least, bringing some amount of, practitioner insight into this. And with those words, I would like to thank both our guests, esteemed guests, in all humbleness. Thank you, sir, for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Sharad sir, thank you so much for having me over, and all the students, all the very best to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks for your encouraging words, actually. And in fact, the reason why I actually thought that, we should have our somebody from industry to judge our students is because, last week they presented their radio ads, and those radio ads were wonderful. I mean, all of them was so good that, we could actually send them to some of the radio stations. I mean, those ads were really good. So that's why I thought that, maybe for television ads, maybe, if we can actually have somebody from industry doing that, judging them. So that's the reason why I actually asked my industry seniors. So thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot, everyone. And, this is all because of the efforts of the students. And students have actually learned throughout this course in a very good manner. So I would like to thank all of my students also, to perform so well.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir, for inviting me.
Thank you.
All right, sir. Okay,
And,
goodbye, sir.
Arvind sir and Rakesh sir, can you please send me the scoring sheet?
Thank
Because
you, sir.
students are going to get those marks.
Yeah, we will upgrade in the Google Sheet itself, right?
Sure, sir. That will be great.
Okay. We will
Yes,
do right away.
I will send within 10-15 minutes.
Yeah, that's okay, fine, sir. That's fine.
Yeah. And once again, I also thank Mr. Sharad for inviting me.
Sir.
Thank you.
It was my pleasure, sir, and I'm sure students have learned so much from your feedback.
Yeah, and we'll keep interacting and collaborating in certain things in future also.
Certainly, sir. Why not?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for inviting me. It was a good opportunity for me to interact with the students, learn from their work. Really a good experience.
Thank you, sir.
All
In
right,
fact,
sir. Bye.
I also thank some of my faculty colleagues who could actually take out time and they could actually join us. Okay. Thank you, sir. So now
Okay, bye.
I end the meeting so that we'll meet after the break.